I have a Frigidaire side-by-side fridge that keeps beeping and has code HI or HH displayed. What do these codes mean?
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you are a JA member, I would like to personally thank you and welcome you back. I am Appliance Guru, an extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. Note it takes time for me to type research and add links, so please wait for me to respond back. I can only do this so fast. Secondly, I do not know your skill level, so please try and let me know if I am going beyond your knowledge or comfort zone. Thanks. What is the complete model number off the unit?
FFHS 2311 FFA. I would say novice, but very willing to follow any instructions to try and fix this issue, since I've only had this unit 2 to 3 months, and it started doing this shortly after buying it.
That just means the unit is too hot. Is the unit warm?
But I have tried to reset the temps to a colder temp. I had the freezer set to 4 and fridge set to 6 to 7. Should I change the temperature? What temperature would you recommend I set the freezer and fridge to?
The temps should be 0 and 37. What are the actual temps?
It doesn't say what temp it is, it just has to set from 0 to 9, and I don't have a thermometer to gauge the temp.
Is the stuff warm?
No, but you can feel that it was slowly warming up.
Okay, then it is not cooling. Is the compressor running?
It now has code showing HH and 11. I can hear a fan running, I believe, but I'm not sure about the compressor. The ice maker no longer is producing ice either, and all the ice in the bin has melted down inside the fridge. I tried to add a file with video, but I don't know if you received them as well.
Have you tried to kill power to the unit for a full minute and then turn it back on? Unplug it.
Just did about a minute or two ago, and turning back on now. Freezer shows it's set to 4 and fridge set to 5. Not sure if that's just the fan running or if the compressor is running too.
Okay, hopefully it will start working. All I ask is please use the star rating link at the top of your page before leaving. That is the only way I am paid anything through the site, and that will also get you a direct link emailed to you to get back to me! ! Tips are greatly appreciated, so thank you very much for using this service. If you have any other questions, just post back to me here anytime.
The unit is right back to doing the same thing. It says the same codes HH 1 to 1 for both sides. What else might be wrong with it? I did notice in the freezer after taking out the meat that the back wall appears to have ice crystals on it.
Okay, the freezer fan may be defective and not running, which was a common issue and would explain the code. I replace a lot of those fans for that issue.
Hi, sorry about that. One last question. Hopefully so the freezer side is working great so far, even started making ice again, but the fridge side is still beeping 5 beeps every few minutes and says the H1 code. I've set it all the way to the coldest setting to see if it would cool, but after my kids getting in and out of it maybe a little too often, it can't seem to cool down, but I can see that it is blowing some kind of coolness from the freezer. Just not sure if it needs to be left closed for a full 24 hours to adjust temp or what.
Leave it closed and see what happens.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.